how to fix your Snapchat temporary lock. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. By the end of this video, I'm going to be mentioning all the ways you can fix this problem. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Snapchat to try logging in, and you'll see this message which says that your account is temporarily blocked. So you don't need to panic, just need to wait 24 to 48 hours and then try logging in after 24 to 48 hours, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. If it asks you to verify or complete the security check, this helps confirm its use, so simply go ahead and do so. And always make sure that you have the latest application updated. So you can do this by going into your App Store or Play Store and searching for Snapchat. Once logging in, you can simply go ahead and clear your cache in the settings, or if it is your internet connection, you can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.